Hi, welcome to Essential Somatics. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to teach you a movement called the boomerang. Now the boomerang is a wonderful movement that you can do in conjunction with the side bend to really address the trauma reflex. And remember, the trauma reflex is a reflex that in which you twist and to avoid pain or to find your balance, right? If you're limping, there's a twisting and rotation and a shifting of the weight to the other side of the body to take the weight off the injured limb. Or imagine if you were walking down the stairs and you lost your footing and you grabbed for the banister. Well, there's a very large muscle, very strong muscle called the latissimus dorsi that contracts to allow you to twist backwards to try to break your fall. Well, this boomerang movement will address that muscle in particular and all the muscles that it coordinates with, followed by the side bend. The boomerang and the side bend are a powerful combination to begin to release the effects of the trauma reflex. So let's get started. Lie on your side with your legs slightly lower than your hips, about 45 degrees, and your arms on an upper high diagonal, approximately in line with your chin. Now, when you finish, when you release out of this movement, you'll be releasing in the shape of a boomerang, sending your lower legs forward in line with your thighs as you extend your upper arm by releasing through the back. So you'll feel a lovely round curve as you release. But before I show you this movement, it's helpful to sense the latissimus dorsi, which is the muscle that you'll be addressing. So right in front of, it's approximately it's the top of your arm, it attaches and then it goes under your armpit, attaches into your rib cage. It's helpful to feel it, so do this for yourself at home. And then all the way down into the same side of your pelvis. It's a very broad muscle. So bring your hands together. Now bend your bottom arm at 90 degrees with the palm facing upward and make a little holder for the top arm. Imagine that you have a string attached to the lower tip of your shoulder blade, and just explore a couple of times, slowly drawing your shoulder blade down to the same side pelvis. You'll notice that an arch begins to come into your back. And if you put your hand there, you could feel the strong latissimus is contracting. So just explore that a couple of times so that you can sense the movement of the shoulder blade. Right? Let the arm be relaxed. And now let's put this movement together. Inhale and arch, letting your chest open, lift your head, draw your shoulder blade down towards that same side pelvis, belly soft, and very slowly as you release, round that back. Let the shoulder blade slide and glide up the back. Extend your lower legs in line with your thighs. And then slowly melt. And let's just do it a couple more times. As you inhale and arch, lift your head. The front is open, the back contracts, the shoulder blade slides towards the same side pelvis. And very slowly take your time, allowing the back to lengthen and round from the pelvis all the way up to the back of your shoulder. Lower legs extend. Only go as far as is comfortable and then completely melt. When you've done that about 3 or 4 times, lie onto your back with your legs extended And sense the difference between the side you just pandiculated and the other side. Do you feel more expansive, more relaxed? If you follow this movement with a side bend, then you're really beginning to address not only the back aspect of the trauma reflex, but then directly you're addressing the sides with the side bend. So try this at home, let me know how it goes, and have fun.